So welcome back, and today I'll show you how to change the background image on the Xbox Series X home screen. So once you power on your console, you'll see this home screen, and now you can see the background image. So to change this background image, all you have to do is go to the settings. So select the settings icon in the top of the menu that appears. So select that. And then within the settings, select general. And then within general, select personalization. So choose that. Now from here, scroll down and find the option my background. Select it. Then if you have a pin set up, you'll have to type in your pin. So type in your pin. And then from here, you can choose from 3 categories. So if you want solid colors, if you want a custom image, or if you want a dynamic background. So let's go for a dynamic background. Select that. And then now you'll see a couple of dynamic backgrounds that appear. So you can choose from all the backgrounds that appear, from the featured ones, or you can select the games option and find the background that you desire. Or you can also go to the Xbox category and choose the Xbox background that you desire. So let's say, for instance, if you want this one, you can highlight on it and you'll see what it's all about. Or if you want the abstract section, select abstract and you'll see a couple of abstract backgrounds. So from here, choose the background you desire. So let's say, for instance, let me select this one if I want this one. So select that. So there it is. So select it and your background will be applied. So once you go back, you can now see the background has changed to that particular image. So that's basically it on how to change the background on your Xbox Series X home screen. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.